Yes student, today we are going to learn about division algorithm. We know that when we divide any number by another number, suppose we are dividing 12 by 6, 6 to the 12. Here 4 conditions are there, 4 terms are there: the number which is divided, the number by which it is divided, the answer that we get, and the remainder that we obtain. So 4 terms are there: dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. So there is a relation between all the 4. What the relation is? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is the number which is written inside, divisor is the number by which we divide, quotient is the answer that we get, and remainder and the base that we obtain. So this relation is called division algorithm. Now in case of polynomial, we can verify this division algorithm. So let us do that. Let us take an example. Suppose we have a polynomial which is denoted by px. Suppose we have to divide the polynomial px, that is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, by another polynomial gx, which is x square minus 2. And also we have to verify the division algorithm. So for verifying the division algorithm, first of all we have to divide it, we have to find the quotient and remainder, dividend and divisor we already have, and on the basis of it only we can verify the division algorithm. So let us first divide. So whenever we have to divide any polynomial by another polynomial, the degree of the polynomial which is to be divided, it must be either equal or greater than the degree of the polynomial by which it is to be divided. So here the degree is greater, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. When you write the polynomial, one thing you have to note down: the polynomial that is written inside or outside, they should be in order, means higher to lower, 3 degree, 3 power, 2 power, 1 and without variable. Here also 2 power and without variable. Then only you will start the division work. Now first take the highest power number and the power of the highest power of the divisor. So let us do some rough work. We have to first divide x cube by x square. We are taking the first term of both of them. We have 2x at the base and 3x at the numerator. So 2 will be cancelled. What is left? X. So it means the first term of the quotient we get x. Now we have to multiply this x by both the terms of the divisor to get what is to be written below the dividend. So when we multiply x by x square, we'll get the first term x cube plus x into x square will give x cube. Then minus plus minus 2 into x will give 2x. So it is having the single power, so we have to identify the single power. Here is the single power, we have to write it below the single power only. Then keeping in mind the rule of subtraction, we have to reverse the sign of the terms that we have written just now. It is in positive, change the sign negative. It is in negative, change the sign to positive. Now by comparing the new sign of this term and the original term, we have to do the calculation. This is in positive, this is in negative. Positive negative means different sign, means they will be subtracted. So this will be cancelled and become 0. Here plus will change into plus, means both of them will be added. 5 plus 2 will give 7x. This we have to note down as it is, minus 3x square, the last term as it is. The remaining term we have to note it down. Now out of this we have to identify the highest power. this is the highest power. Now again let us move to the rough work. Minus 3x square, take the first term, x square will be cancelled, so we get minus 3. It means the second term of the question. Now when we multiply minus 3 by both the term, what we will get? First, by multiplying it by the first term, we'll get the same term, minus 3x square. Second term we'll going to multiply, minus will change into plus, and 3 into 2 will give 6. So if this is without variable term, so we have to write below the without variable term only, plus 6. Reverse the sign, minus will change into plus will change into minus. Why we are doing? Because we have to subtract these algebraic expressions. So both are in opposite sign, they will be cancelled. Here both are in same sign, means they have to be added. 6 plus 3 9, as both of them are in negative, so answer will be in negative. Note down the next term, 7x. Now the remainder, now the term that we are observing has the degree less than the divisor, so it cannot be divided further. This will be taken as the remainder. This is the remainder. This point you have to note it down. We can divide until when the degree of the polynomial is either equal or greater than the divisor. But if it is lower than the degree of the divisor, then it cannot be divided further. So this will be the remainder. So now we have dividend equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Divisor we already know, we have x square minus 2. Quotient we have x minus 3, and remainder we have 7x minus 9. Now we have to verify the division algorithm. Now, which is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend means this term we have to write down, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. There is no calculation on the left hand side, we just have to do the calculation on the right hand side, and we have to compare both the sides. The right hand side should be equal to the left hand side, then only it will be verified. Divisor we have x square minus 2, let us keep it in the bracket. Quotient we have x minus 3, and remainder we have 7x minus 9. So let us do the calculation. Here is the multiplication of binomial by binomial. So first of all, split the first bracket, it means x square we are taking, and the second bracket complete we are taking. Then minus 2 x minus 3, this we can remove the bracket because here is a positive sign. Taking the sign rule in mind, open the bracket. X square into x will change into x cube, both are in positive, so it will be in positive. Plus minus will change into minus. 3 into x square will give 3x square. Minus plus minus 2 into x will give 2x. Minus minus plus 2 3 just 6 plus 7x minus 9. Now find out the like term. 3 power, the term with 3 power we have only 1, so it will remain the single only. X square also we have only one term, so minus 3x square. Now x term we have 2. Let us solve minus plus minus. So we have to subtract 7 minus 2 will give 5x, and out of these two which one is greater? 7, which is in positive, so it will be in plus sign. These two are without variable terms, so these two will be solved. Plus minus minus. 9 minus 6 will give 3. Out of these two the bigger one is 9, so the sign of the answer will be minus 3. So now let us compare it. The first term is x cube, here also x cube. Second term is minus 3x square, here also minus 3x square. Third is plus 5x, again 5x. Then minus 3 and minus 3. Now each and every term on the right hand side is the same as on the left hand side. So it means it is verifying the dividend algorithm. So this way we can verify the division algorithm. Thank you.